Alright, what do we got over here? Looks like some kind of a lever. But I don't recognize what it would be. Yeah, I still don't know what it is. Something. Oh, I sharpened my knife too. Yeah, there it is. Tearing device. It doesn't cut, it rips and tears. There's a Harley bag in there. Harley Davidson. Oh no, excuse me, U-Haul. U-Haul, same color. Oh, now we're getting in. Now we're getting in there. Master cylinder maybe. Yep, there it is. Master cylinder, there we go. I was almost seeing before I recognized it. So that is a 5/8 bore, because it says so right there. This is a 1982, because it's huge up here. It's got the old dorky levers on it, so it's 82. They ran these all the way up through 95. They're all the same. So don't look like that and hit the lever, it might squirt right in your face. Make sure it's unarmed before you start whacking on it here. You want to make sure it pops back. Which you can tell, I can't tell if it's popped back, but it's free. Put your finger over it and see if you can build up pressure. Hear it? So it's working. It's building pressure. So this is actually a workable one. So it's a nice Harley one, pretty good condition. It's not even corroded on the screws. It's real nice and clean all through here with good fluid in it. Looks like a little bit of road rash there from probably packaging, because if it was on the bike it'd be gouged pretty heavy on the top here. So it just got packaging wear, or shelf wear you call that, just laying around. It almost looks like it's broken there, but it's just bad casting. Yeah, it's probably just a casting flashing right there. It looks like a crack. I don't think it is. Everything, even all the parts in here look brand new. So this is pretty much a brand new part. So it's what you call a new takeoff. They thought taking off a new bike and throwing the quarter, and they probably put some chrome stuff on it. So it's actually a really nice original bike part. So if you're restoring an old bike, not that 80s bikes are really old, this is what you're going to want, is something like this to find. So it's actually a pretty nice piece for that. I use the same craft for race bike stuff, but I don't like these big master cylinders. I use the older ones that are only about that big. So yeah, this is a nice little part. So like I said, if somebody's doing a restoration, they'd love something like this, real clean. Even the paint on here is not too bad. You can touch it up right there, a little brush, and it looks pretty good still. So there you go, nice original piece. Looks nice. Pretty good. So that's always good stuff when you find that on eBay like that.